Every year, more than 3 billion pizzas are produced worldwide, and of all of them, more than 20% carry the Domino's seal. We are talking about one of the largest fast food chains on the planet, and some of the most consumed, recognized, and addictive pizzas in existence. Its spongy dough, melted cheese, and unmistakable sauce turn every slice into an authentic flavor bomb. But have you ever wondered how a Domino's pizza is actually manufactured? What really happens inside their factories to transform simple ingredients into millions of irresistible pizzas? Well, today we will travel directly to the United States, home to one of the most gigantic Domino's production plants on the planet. A place where every day tons of dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings are mixed, prepared, and distributed at a brutal speed to feed thousands of restaurants across the country. So get ready, because you are about to discover how Domino's pizza is mass-produced. We begin. Step 1. Dough. Preparation. It all starts with the most important ingredient of any pizza, the dough. Because without good dough, there is no good pizza. The process kicks off with the constant arrival of huge trucks loaded with tons of wheat flour, the absolute base of everything. Upon arrival, the flour is stored in gigantic industrial silos, and from there, automatic systems transport it directly toward colossal mixers, authentic mechanical monsters where the real show begins. Here, the flour merges with key ingredients: purified water, yeast, and an exact recipe of salt, sugar, and vegetable oils perfectly calculated to achieve the ideal texture. The mixers work tirelessly, spinning at high speed, beating and stretching the mixture until a homogeneous, soft, and ultra-elastic dough is obtained. The goal is clear: to get a base that stretches easily and that, when baked, generates that spongy and crunchy crust so characteristic of Domino's. But the process does not end here. After mixing, the dough passes directly into gigantic controlled fermentation tanks, where the yeast begins its silent work. For hours, millions of gas microbubbles form inside, transforming it and causing its volume to increase up to 3 times. When it reaches its perfect point, it is transported toward automatic cutting systems, where high-precision blades divide that large mass into small, identical balls, all with the same weight and size. Each one of them is a future pizza. Finally, they pass through rapid cooling tunnels, are stored in crates, and are loaded onto refrigerated trucks that depart tirelessly toward thousands of restaurants. From this mega factory, the dough travels thousands of kilometers so that, when you place your order, it is ready to become pizza in just minutes. And now that the base is ready, the time comes to add the soul of the pizza. Step 2. Creation of the star sauce. If the dough is the heart of the pizza, the sauce is its soul. And at Domino's, we are not talking about simple crushed tomatoes. It is an ultra-secret industrial recipe, perfected over decades to achieve the exact balance between acidity, sweetness, and flavor intensity. It all begins in the enormous agricultural fields of California, where millions of tons of tomatoes selected exclusively for their extremely high flavor concentration are grown. When they reach their optimal point, they are harvested with high-precision machinery, and in a matter of hours arrive at gigantic industrial processing plants. Here the transformation begins. The tomatoes are washed, sorted, and crushed until they become a thick, homogeneous pulp. Then, this pulp passes through huge thermal evaporators that remove part of the water to concentrate the flavor to the maximum. And now comes the real secret. To this concentrated base, the exclusive Domino's spice blend is added: salt, sugar, garlic, onion, oregano, basil, and an exact combination of natural aromas that only a small group of company workers knows. Thousands of liters of sauce spin slowly in giant stainless steel tanks until a perfectly uniform texture is achieved. The objective is clear: for a pizza in New York to taste exactly as flavorful as one in Madrid, Tokyo, or Mexico City. When the sauce reaches its perfect point, it is quickly cooled and packaged in airtight industrial bags. From here, tons of sauce depart every week in refrigerated trucks bound for thousands of restaurants. And now that the base already has a soul, the time comes to add the most addictive ingredient of all. Step 3. The cheese. If there is an ingredient capable of turning a simple dough with tomato into an authentic global addiction, it is the cheese. And at Domino's, it is not just another ingredient. It is the element that defines its identity. It all starts in enormous industrial dairy plants, where millions of liters of fresh milk from carefully selected farms are processed every day. not just any milk will do here. Blends with the perfect balance between fat, protein, and moisture are used, designed to achieve a cheese that melts extremely well, stretches to the maximum, and maintains an ultra-creamy texture. Upon arrival, the milk is heated, filtered, and cleaned, removing any impurities. Then it enters gigantic transformation tanks, where natural ferments are added that cause the milk to thicken, compact, and turn into huge blocks of fresh cheese in a matter of minutes. But now comes the real secret. Domino's does not use a single type of cheese. It uses an exclusive blend dominated by mozzarella, along with other selected cheeses that enhance flavor, melting, and stretching. And it is precisely this combination that gives their pizzas that unmistakable taste. Once the perfect blend is created, the cheese is quickly cooled and passes through high-speed industrial shredding systems, where gigantic blocks are transformed into authentic infinite mountains of perfect strands, ready to melt uniformly in the oven. Afterward, it is packaged in airtight industrial bags and shipped cold to thousands of restaurants worldwide. And now that we have dough, sauce, and cheese, the time comes to add the final personality to each pizza. Step 4. Creation of the toppings. This is where a simple pizza is transformed into a flavor bomb. Everything is produced on an industrial scale in specialized plants, where meats and vegetables are prepared under extreme quality standards, designed to achieve perfect flavor, ideal texture, and maximum food safety. Meats like pepperoni, bacon, ham, and chicken come from carefully selected meat suppliers. There is no low-quality meat here. Everything is processed with exclusive recipes, high-precision cuts, and constant controls that guarantee juiciness, flavor intensity, and perfect cooking in the oven. Each slice, each cube, and each strip has the exact size to cook to the right point, without drying out and without losing aroma. Some ingredients, like ham or chicken, are pre-cooked in a controlled manner, eliminating any sanitary risk and ensuring total safety. On the other hand, vegetables like peppers, onions, mushrooms, or olives are selected directly in specialized agricultural fields, where flavor, color, freshness, and texture are monitored. Nothing enters the production line if it does not meet the standards. Everything is washed, cut, cooled, and packaged to keep its properties intact until the moment it reaches the restaurant. Because Domino's does not just sell pizzas. It sells a flavor experience that does not allow for even the slightest failure. Once ready, all the ingredients enter the industrial cold chain and travel at full speed toward thousands of restaurants, where they will merge to give life to the perfect pizza. Step 5. Extreme logistics. We reach one of the most impressive parts of the entire process, because manufacturing dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings is useless if you cannot move them fast, cold, and without a single failure. And this is where Domino's deploys one of the most advanced food logistics networks on the planet. All the ready ingredients are stored in enormous refrigeration centers within the factory itself, waiting to spring into action. And then, every night, the movement begins. Hundreds of trucks depart tirelessly, covering thousands of kilometers along roads and highways to supply thousands of restaurants. Most of these shipments are made at night, when traffic is lighter and the ambient temperature is lower, which allows the cold chain to be maintained with greater stability and reduces energy consumption. Furthermore, each truck has powerful refrigeration systems and smart sensors that monitor the temperature in real time, guaranteeing that each ingredient arrives in perfect condition and ready to be used. After hours on the road, the trucks reach their destination, unload tons of product, and store it directly in the cold rooms of each location, waiting for the exact moment when you place your order. Step 6. Assembling the pizza. We reach the point where everything comes to life. After traveling thousands of kilometers, tons of dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings arrive at the restaurant. And it is right here where the real action begins. At the exact moment you place your order, you activate a perfectly synchronized industrial choreography. First, the dough enters the scene. The refrigerated balls come out of the cold rooms and go directly to the work table. In seconds, operators stretch them with fast and precise movements, transforming a simple, compact ball into a perfect, thin, uniform disc ready to become a pizza. Right after comes the sauce. An abundant layer of tomato covers the entire surface, creating the aromatic base that defines every bite. Next, one of the most spectacular moments occurs, the rain of cheese. Thousands of thin strands fall in a controlled manner, covering every centimeter with a creamy layer, perfectly distributed and ready to melt in the oven and create that absolutely irresistible visual and gustatory effect. And now comes the personal touch. In meat pizzas, such as pepperoni or barbecue, operators place perfect slices of cold cuts, bacon, chicken, and special blends that turn each pizza into an authentic explosion of flavor. In veggie versions, peppers, onions, mushrooms, and other carefully balanced fresh vegetables come into play, providing color, freshness, and texture in every slice. In just a few minutes, a white dough, cold ingredients, and industrial bags have been transformed into a fully assembled pizza. Visually perfect and ready to face the most extreme moment of the entire process. Step 7. Baking, cutting, and express delivery. This is where everything accelerates to the maximum. The pizza, freshly assembled, enters directly into industrial tunnel ovens, authentic thermal beasts designed to work without rest. And here comes a brutal fact. Each pizza spends exactly 6 minutes inside the oven, not a second more, not one less. The temperature, the airflow, and the forward speed are perfectly synchronized. While the pizza moves through the tunnel, the heat envelops it completely. The dough begins to puff up, the cheese bubbles, and the toppings cook to the exact point. When it comes out of the oven, the pizza is perfectly golden, crunchy on the outside, spongy on the inside, and with the cheese melted to the limit. But there is not a second to lose here. As soon as it comes out, operators divide it into 6 identical slices, and it goes directly into its thermal cardboard box, designed to preserve heat, prevent moisture, and maintain the perfect texture throughout the journey. It is closed, it is labeled, and it is shot out. In a matter of seconds, the system assigns the order to the nearest delivery person, calculates the route, and launches the pizza toward your house. Literally, from the moment it enters the oven until it arrives at your door, less than 15 minutes can pass. And so, after traveling through mega factories, colossal logistics centers, and ultra-fast kitchens, a simple dough with tomato and cheese is transformed into one of the most consumed pizzas on the planet. To finish, tell us, did you imagine all this process? Which is your favorite Domino's pizza? Leave us your answer in the comments. And if you liked this tour through the factory, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next industrial journey.